My name is Carol Malasig and we're here at Almost Diplomatic.
These are only reservation will not be aided from rolling around.
We finally made it to Kyoto. It was so warm in the train. I totally forgot that it was actually cold outside, and so I'm a little bit like chilly, but finally we're here and I'm gonna make my way to Yamashita Art and Frame where the pop-up is happening. And yeah, it's supposed to start at 1 p.m. so I'm only a tad bit late. I think they're staying there until 5. We have still quite a lot of time, and after the pop-up I want to go to one of the spots here in Kyoto. A little bit touristy, but it's something I've always wanted to see. And yeah, maybe grab a cup of coffee before headed home. It's just a day trip, but I really want to make the most out of it. Oh, and I want to drop by Traveler's Factory and maybe get a stamp or something for my Traveler's notebook. So excited. Okay, so we made it to Kurosama Oike. That's the station. And we'll be doing a 13-minute walk to get to the spot where they're having the pop-up. It's an art gallery, I think. Very excited to see it. But one thing I wanted to share though, so Kyoto Station was really crowded. There were lots of people. And one thing that really drives me nuts, and I just want to preface this by saying that I'm not trying to be Japan's next top gaijin here, okay? But I think in general, it should be common sense that people shouldn't be standing in front of turnstiles at train stations or wherever, but people love to do that. Well, not the locals, of course, but you do get a lot of foreigners who are doing this. Like after they enter, they tend to stand there, and that's like right in front and blocking everybody from exiting. And it really drives me insane. I know I'm really starting to sound like a Karen here, but I feel like it should be something that everybody knows, because it just stops the flow of people. And not just in Japan, I feel like in other countries as well, that should be the same, that people are more aware of their surroundings and the people that they might be bothering. But when walking, it's also good practice to stay on the left unless there are signs on the floor or on the walls, like showing you, like arrows showing you where you should be going, because sometimes the direction will change, so you have to be mindful of the signs. But yeah, please don't stand in front of turnstiles and escalators. Gosh, drives me nuts. You guys, Kyoto is super charming, and it's really making me think twice. Like, because I always say I love capital cities because they're busy, there's a lot of history usually, and yeah, there's just so many things to do. But seriously, I just left Kyoto Station and then got out of the subway, and now there's just, wow, it's like Tokyo, but like older. And well, it is, but yeah, there's so many things. I keep getting distracted. So many things on the street that are catching my attention. I mean, look at that. That was a chocolate store. It was so adorable. It looks, yeah, like a matcha. Okay, I might be mixing up the terms, but it looks like an old like shop. Okay, I'm not that learned yet. You guys, I'm super distracted. First few minutes of being here in Kyoto and I'm already in love. It's so beautiful. It looks very historical, very charming. Of course, I'm just in one neighborhood so far, but wow. And it just shows that they got the perfect neighborhood to do the pop-up. Okay, so the Etsuka team is just gonna have some lunch, and while they're doing that, I wanted to quickly drop by the Traveler's Factory shop because they have some Kyoto exclusive things, and since this is my first visit to Kyoto, I really want to get something for my journal. So we're walking there. It's a 10-minute walk, but I walk fast, so give me 7. Oh, look at this cafe. So pretty. Okay, Kyoto, I am officially smitten. So these are the stamp exclusives that you could get here, although this one is actually in Tokyo as well. And I think I saw this in this one. But yeah. This is my favorite, the one with the geisha. This one is also pretty. This one, okay, everything, but yeah, the geisha is number 1, of course. Got this to write on, and then these are for just collecting stamps throughout Japan. And then this one, I brought it with me to write on also. So we're going back to the pop-up. Mission accomplished. What do you think of your first Kyoto pop-up?
Crazy.
Oh yeah.
It was great. I'm moving here. I'm moving here.
I mean, first of all, we need more people. We need more assistant.
Thank you. Yeah,
well, things like we don't have her. Like
it's great. But we were we were expecting, because we have 2 registered clients, right?
Yeah.
So we were expecting only 2 clients coming in, and then
But actually, a lot of the whole thing.
a lot
Like people are all from all around the world.
Thailand, from
Yeah,
Singapore,
like
even.
Singapore, Malaysia, France, and
US.
then also that Spain, and then so
Yeah.
lots.
I mean, to be honest, this pop-up is because we wanted to test the idea of what if we have enough like
Yeah.
I support.
right?
Yeah.
Kyoto.
So I'm moving to Kyoto. What's on that?
I will live in Manila.
Yeah, happy.
Yay! So now we're in Gion. It's around a 26-minute walk from the shopping guy where we were. I took a loop for half of it and then walking the rest of the way, which is around 14 minutes. I'm almost there actually. But basically, I just want to get to that street, that iconic street where you had a street food vendors and all that. Oh, look, there's a rickshaw. It's getting dark. It's 5:13. I'm hoping. Well, maybe it's just wishful thinking that I'm still gonna get with some light. Let's see. But I just want a photo of that iconic tower with the shops. Hopefully it's not as full. And I still don't know where I'm gonna have dinner before going home because my train leaves at 7:13. So yeah, I'm hoping I find something good that's near the train station. Hey everyone, so I caved and took a taxi instead, going back to Kyoto Station because the lines for the buses are so long and sometimes it would take blocks before you are able to get on the taxi, like literal blocks, like they're being broken apart by the side streets. That's how long the lines were. It was insane. So in the end I hopped in a taxi hoping that I could still eat my dinner here in Kyoto before going back to Tokyo. My train is at 7:13, so I think I do have some time, and hopefully everybody's not eating dinner yet. So I'm trying to eat an early dinner and just hopefully either sleep or work on the Shinkansen on my way back home. But yeah, I'm so happy I got a taxi because now it's so comfortable, and yeah, I can rest a little bit because all the walking up in Gion, especially going up to Sanenzaka, was intense. Like the hill is pretty high up in Sanenzaka and there are a lot of people, so of course that's also something to consider when you're walking because of course some people are on the left, on the right, and then yeah, trying to get up there, it takes much longer, so you get a little bit more tired much faster. Sadly, I wasn't able to see the Yasaka Pagoda. Is that how you say it? Yasaka Pagoda. But yeah, I wasn't able to see it from the hill because it was already dark. And yeah, maybe a good reason to go back to Kyoto soon enough. But I'm excited to eat. I'm trying to get into a katsu restaurant. I'm in the mood for something heavy.